So today we are going to study about the candlesticks. We'll understand the different types of candlesticks which we have. Okay. So before that, I just want to tell you about the codes which you have been asking me every day. So let's understand about the codes. So if you are attending all the classes live, okay, you will be getting 4,000. You will be getting 4,000 if you are attending all the classes live. What do you have to do? Attend all the classes live. Okay. Attend all the classes live. In every live class, in all the classes, I will be giving you two codes. The code can be like a numeric code, alphanumeric code, or it can be a statement or anything. I'll give you two codes either in between, in the beginning or at the end. Anytime I will give you two codes which you have to write down. Okay. When do you have to give me this code? When I'll ask you, basically once the course gets over, on the last day, I'll ask this code. Once the course gets over, okay, I will ask you these codes. Those who are missing out on the classes, okay, let's say for any reason, if you're missing out on these classes, you can watch the recordings. The codes will be available in the recordings as well, because I'll be writing the code as well as I'll be telling you the code as well. Verbally, I'll be telling you the code. Regarding this, you don't have to ask me. If you will ever text me, what is this code? What was the code of this class or that class? From today, we are starting this code. So if you'll ever ask me that, what was the code for today's class, I'll directly remove you from the group. If you are texting anyone else also from the group regarding the code, or regarding even if you're considering as a Tinder thing, that also I'll remove you directly from the group. Do not text your team members unnecessarily, or you don't have to text them at all. Okay. Regarding codes, you don't have to text. As of now, I have not onboarded anyone on our app, so you are not getting recordings on the app as of now. I'm sharing the YouTube link. Most probably, if I'll get time, I'll onboard everyone by today itself, or else by tomorrow, I'll be doing it. Okay. Now you just have to write these codes on a piece of paper. And whenever I'll ask you these codes, you just have to send a picture of the code. Okay. If all the codes are right, you will be getting 4,000 from our end. Okay. This has been done to make sure that you are attending the classes live, and whatever the money you have paid, you are making it worth. Okay. And again, do not attend the classes just for the purpose of getting for this 4,000. You will definitely make more than this money if you will attend all the classes. This will be a small gift from our end. Okay, good to go ahead. Any doubts before I go ahead? I guess I've cleared all the doubts. No one should be having any other doubts regarding the code or anything. If you want to know again more about the code, watch the recording. That's it. All right. So today we are going to, no, I won't be repeating. And please come with your real name. If you're not coming with your real name, very important, whatever the name you have given us, if you are not coming up with that name, I'll directly remove you. If your name is, let's say, any name, what is this 230376 and all, please come up with your real name. Okay, admin, iPhone, realme. Do not do all these things. If you do not know how to rename yourself, okay, then please do watch a video. For today, I'm allowing you iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone SE 2nd generation. Come with your real name, or else I'll put the email ID. So if you are registered with that email ID, then only you'll be able to join that class, or else you'll not be able to join any of the classes. That I will do that. In a case if you're not coming with your real name, it becomes very difficult that who is this person, because I know that who has joined this course and who has not joined this course. Okay, so try to come up with your real name. Okay. Let's move ahead and understand about the candlesticks. See. All right. Okay. So let me show you what is this over here. In front of the screen, what you are seeing is known as the candlesticks. Okay, these are candlesticks. These are known as candlesticks. Okay, now there are two colors which you are seeing, basically the red and the green, right? First thing, there are different types of charts like you can have hollow candles, you can have line chart, You can have area chart, you can have baseline, you can have Hakanashi candles, then Renko, all these different types of candlesticks you will be having it. Okay. Now, which one we have to use? The one which we are going to use is the candlesticks. Candlesticks, like almost all the trader use this candlesticks because it gives us a lot of information if we are comparing to different types of charts which we have. So the chart which we have to prefer is candlesticks chart. Okay. Apart from that, we don't have to use any other chart which we are like line chart. We don't need to use area chart. All these charts we don't really need to use at all. Okay. Again, do not ask me why or anything. Just do not use it because they won't be providing you that much information. The one which we will be getting it from this candlestick chart. Over here, you are seeing the time frame, right? 1 minute. Over here, let me show it to you. 1, 3, 4, 5, 15, 17. Like not 17. This I have modified. 30, 45. Like this on 1 hour. So what does this mean? Basically, if I'm going for 15 minutes, okay, if I'm going for 15 minutes, each candle is giving me information about 15 minutes. Each candle is giving me information about 15 minutes. So for an example, this candle, you can see downside, you just have to notice one thing. Okay, over here, when I'm putting my circle over here, you can see Monday, 10th October 2. After that, it is 2:15, then 2:30. 15-minute gap is there, right? So it is going to give me information what has happened between 2:15 till 2:30. If I'll go for 3 minutes, each candle will give me information about 3 minutes. Like what has happened between from 2:30 to 2:33. Like this, I will be getting the information. So let me right now, we will be having currency pairs. Okay. So let's say BTC USD, I'll go for the crypto. Okay. Now you can see at this point of time, this is 1 minute time frame. Over here, please notice that the time left, this 14 second is the time left for this candle to complete. As soon as this 10 second will get over, you will see a new candle which will be formed. And then here over here, let me show it to you. See, you can see that clearly. So this was 1 minute candle. If I'll go with 5 minutes, so you can see that key. For the closing of this candle, we have 4 minutes 50 seconds left. If I'll go with 15 minutes, then again same time. If I'll go with 1 hour, we have 49 minutes left for this 1 hour candle to close. For this 1 hour candle to close, we have 49 minutes left. So this one, if I'm going for 5 minutes, it will be giving me information about the 5 minutes data. Okay, it will be giving me information about the 5 minutes data. You might be wondering, what is this then? 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So basically, whenever I'm clicking over here, it will give, like on the current screen, it will show me that for 1 day data. Okay, it will show me what has happened from today or till now. If I'll go for 6 months, it will, like on the same screen, it will show me from last 6 months data. Okay, we don't have to do anything with this. If I'll go for last 5 years, it will show me the data of last 5 years in the same screen. I don't need to drag like this and to see. Okay, if I'll go for, let's say 3 months. Okay, so I will be having a data of 3 months right in front of my screen. I don't need to drag. So let's say if I'm going for 15 minutes, I need to go back to see the data, right? So let's say I just want to see last 6 months data. So I'll click over here. All the charts will be right in front of me. Okay, this is for this purpose. I don't have to use. Okay, clear till this point of time? Those who have joined late, I cannot really explain you once again. You have to watch the recordings if you do not know about it. If you know already, then that's good. This is nothing but basic things I have taught. Just the candlesticks which I'm clicking for 5 minutes, it will be giving me for 5 minutes information. How are you changing the size? Okay, I'll share you one video today, how to use this trading view tool. Watch that video completely. Try to learn, try to experiment, use all these tools which are available. You will be able to learn the same thing with the time that how am I changing the size? Simple thing is that if I want to change, like if I want to zoom in, I can click over here, zoom in, or I can drag like this. I can drag towards upside. Okay, it's just nothing but you need to practice it. That's it, man. Nothing else. All right. There are different types of candlesticks. Okay, there are different types of candlesticks, but the one which is important, we need to know that. Okay, so once we know that, it will be easy for our understanding. Okay, so let's understand first is the basics candlesticks. Okay, we'll go with basics candlesticks, which is bullish and bearish candlesticks. Let me show it to you. Candlesticks pattern. 1 minute. All right. So I'll be sharing you this PDF, so you don't need to ask me at all. Okay. The one which is important, I'm going to teach you later on once the class gets over, like a few classes of technical answers will get over. I'll share you all the candlesticks pattern. There are approximately 14 to 15 candlesticks pattern. We don't need to remember all. The one which is important, I'll teach you that. The one which are important are nothing but 4 candlesticks are important. Rest, once we start trading, it is all about the understanding of the market, how we are understanding the market. Okay, that's all. The green candle is known as bullish candle. The green candle is known as bullish candle, and the red one is known as bearish candle. Okay. The green thing area you are seeing it, we call it this as body. Okay, and there is this simple line, we call this as wick. Okay. Now I'll show you in the live market, which the BTC is running right now. Okay, I'll go with 1 minute time frame. Okay, you have to observe one candle, and then I'll ask you few questions. You have to answer this. Okay, I hope everyone have like you are good with watching out like what I'm teaching. Like you are able to see the screen properly, right? So your focus is obviously you'll be able to understand that if it is going up, you will be able to identify with this simple line. Okay, so after 20 seconds, we'll have a new candle. Watch it out from first second till the last second with the formation of candle. Notice each and everything. If it is going up, what kind of body it is forming? If it is coming down, what kind of body it is forming? If it is going up, how are we going identifying that the market has gone up? Okay, please identify. Notice this. I hope everyone noticed. Few things. First thing is that this has opened from here. The point where body has started forming. This is this rectangular size thing from where it has started. This is the body, a start of the body. All right. It's going to, please watch it out. Ten seconds left. I hope you're done with your observation. All right. Now my first question is that, okay, let's say if this point of time market is opening, okay, then this candle is opening. If it is going down, which kind of candlesticks will be forming? Which color what will be the color of the body? Red. If it is going up, we are having green body. Everyone observed this thing? So basically, if the market prices are going downside, it will be we will get to know if it is forming red body. If it is going up, we'll get to know with the help of green body, right? Next thing is that next thing I want to ask you, this candle, okay, what is the use of this wick? This thing which you are seeing it right in front of your screen, okay, what is the use of this? Why it had gone, like why it is here and here? What does it indicate? What does it indicate? Range, max, min, high and low, strength, beginning, heavy buying or selling. Okay. If I put this in simpler words, can I say that as of now, wick is telling me this particular wick, this we call this as wick. Okay, there are many terms to this: wick, shadow, and all these things. So leaving all these things in simpler words, can I tell this that if it is like, if I want to know that at 7:45 what was the high the market has made? So if the wick has gone till here, that means the prices had gone till this point of time. During this time, like during 7:45, the prices has gone till here, and it had made a low till here as well. It had made a low till here as well, and high here as well. Can I say that the wick is telling me where the prices has gone during that period of time? Can I tell this as of now? Can I consider this? So wick is giving me information about high and low. Is this clear for everyone? I'll repeat once again what I have taught till now. First thing is that please understand, okay, you can see that the market has opened at this price. If market is going to go downside, and if it is closing wherever the body will close, okay, if it is closing below the opening side, here is the opening. If it is closing below, it will form a red body. If it is closing like here, it opened and it closed upside, it has formed a green body. It has formed a green body. Okay, during this point of time, let's say if I'm going for 5 minutes, during this point of time, this wick is telling me that market had gone till here, like high it had made till here and low it had made till here. Okay, and if it is a green candle, we'll call this as a bullish candle. Okay, and if it is a red candle, we'll call this as a bearish candle. If it is a green, we'll call it bullish. If it is red, we'll call it as bearish. Red indicates market is going down, prices are falling. Blue indicates, sorry, green indicates market is going upside. That's what I have taught till now. Is this clear for everyone? Please type yes if it is. I hope that it should not, you should not be having any kind of doubt. Second thing is that I might be like fast, but it is required because we have to cover a lot. Whatever I till the topic I wanted to go slow, I had gone. Okay, height of the body represents a lot of things which you'll be learning. Okay, see this body height, this represents a lot of things. Slowly I'll tell you, do not worry. Okay, please repeat wick. Wick means, it tells, as of now we are understanding, wick is telling me that market had gone till this point of time from 7:45 till 50. Okay, this is the 5 minutes candlesticks from 7:45 till 50. Market had gone till here and had made a low as well as here as well. Okay, now let's come understand something more. And for your kind information, let me tell you, there are many people, just to teach these candlesticks, they will be charging you 20,000 rupees. Many of the Smat students who are joining, who had joined the classes, they told that they like some of them had taken some course like this. They taught them all the types of candlesticks, and they had charged them around 20,000 to 30,000 rupees just to understand, like whatever I am going to teach you the candlesticks. Okay, so try to understand that whatever you have paid, you won't really know that how much worth you are going to get it. Okay, so try to attend the classes live. Okay, simple question, general question I have. I guess everyone have seen a car, like someone is driving a car, you have seen it. Okay, one thing I want to know that what do we call this? If car is going towards upside and if they start coming back, what do we call this? In which gear they start coming back? In which gear they start coming back? Reverse, right? Hey, upstream. Basically, they'll put a reverse gear and they'll start coming back side. Okay. Chalo, theek hai. This is a bullish market, right? This is a bearish market. See, there are always, I always find that few things are time taking for me. I can directly teach and avoid the interaction, but I like to do the interaction so that I can understand that whether you are understanding it or not. Your inputs will also matter over here if I'm asking you some questions. Okay. Now this is a bullish market and this is a bearish market. What if market is going upside and if it starts coming downside? So if it starts coming downside, okay, so what is it happening over here? What's happening over here? What's happening over here? Market went up and now it is coming downside. What's happening over here? In general terms, reversal. It is reversing, right? In general terms, if I tell you, market is going upside. See, we don't need to go in the technicals. My thing is not to teach you the right technicals, everything right away. I'm asking you a general question. Market is going up, and if it starts coming downside, what do we call this phenomenon? No huge selling and all technical words. Regarding the car, we told reverse gear. Over here, it is happening reversal. Now tell me which kind of reversal it is happening. First, bullish reversal. Second, bearish reversal. Which reversal you are seeing at this point of time? Which reversal you are seeing at this point of time? It's a bearish reversal. Okay. Those who are answering bullish, let me ask you few. Let me clear it out. See, first thing is that market is going upside. If market goes up and if it starts coming downside, we call this as a bearish reversal. Okay. And if market is going downside, if it starts going up, we call this as a bullish reversal. So basically, in general terms, we say that the market is reversing towards downside. Okay, so basically it means that it is bearish reversal and it is bullish reversal. Simple thing. Okay. So this is over here. This phenomena is bearish reversal. Okay. And after coming downside, if it starts going upside, we call this phenomena as bullish reversal. Okay, that's it. Is this clear till this point of time regarding the movement and the reversal? Nothing else. All right. I hope no one has doubt over here. Okay. Let's move ahead. Now, there will be always some reason why market is reversing. If I'm throwing a ball towards upside, there should be a reason for that. That ball will be coming downside, avoiding the gravitational force. Right. So leaving that thing, but how do we identify that the market is going to reverse? There should be some reason. If I want to know, if you would have watched today's video, which I had uploaded on Instagram, okay, I had told that if market is reversed, like, let me show it to you. Let's anywhere, let me show it to you wherever market has gone upside or downside. Okay. So you can see market was coming downside. Why it started from here? From here, it started going upside. There should be a reason, right? That reason we will identify with the help of candlesticks. With the help of candlesticks, if there are certain candlesticks which are forming, from there market can reverse. Okay, market can reverse from there first thing. Second thing is that, second thing over here is, if today, in today's class, we are understanding the types of candlesticks. Okay, types of candlesticks means this is not exactly the way we are going to take up the trade. This is the first way which we consider. Okay, this is the first way which we will be considering for trading. Do not start after learning in next two classes. Do not go for the go and start taking up the trade. You will lose money. I've already requested many times, often, that please do not trade. Still, some people are trading and asking me, calling me in the market orders. Should I hold this? Should I exit? I've requested already not to trade. Right? So you should not be trading at all till the time you have not learned everything. Okay. Now, at this point of time, if we are seeing any kind of candlesticks, which we often call it as bearish reversal candlesticks, okay, we can expect the market go downside. And at this point of time, if you're finding any kind of bullish reversal candlesticks, we can expect the market to go up. So basically there are two types of candlesticks. First one is bearish reversal. Second one, bullish reversal candlesticks. Bullish reversal candlesticks. Okay. Now what happens in this? Bearish reversal, everyone knows. Where will I find? Where should I look? Like we can find anywhere, but where should I find these candlesticks? Over here first. Bearish reversal candlestick, where should I find? First or second? First or second? Where should I find? Where should I try to look for bearish reversal? Those who are saying two, try to understand what I'm telling over here. Okay. Okay. So let's understand first bearish reversal candlesticks. Okay. What are these candlesticks? So first one which we are going to study, let's go with the bullish one first. Okay, over here, let's go with the bullish one. I often call this, looks like a hammer. If you can relate to this hammer, this is called as hammer. Okay, hammer candlesticks. Okay, but I love to call this as normal bullish pin bar. Bullish pin bar. Okay. So over here, there are a few things. Let me clear it out. Okay. Now I'll ask you a few questions. You have to answer me. This candle opened at this point of time. It went up downside. Okay. Let me 1 minute. It is going down. It is going down. Okay. This also tried going downside. It went down. This is a 5-minute chart. Considering it went up till here. Then it came up. So how do I know that it has, how will I get to know that market had gone till here? Wick. Through wick, I'll get to know market has gone till this point of time. Now, can you please tell me, according to you, what would have happened over here? Why the prices came up? According to your thinking, what could be the reason? Why didn't it go up? Why it went up? People started buying. Okay. So in simpler words, can I say that wick gives me a rejections, tells me about the rejections? Basically, what has happened? In other words, if I have to say, what has happened over here? Prices went till this level, but it got rejected. Means over here, it got rejected. You are not supposed to go down. You are not supposed to go down. And it started coming upside. Right? So can I say that wick is acting as a rejections? Wick tells us about the rejections. If the wick is towards downside, we can consider that the market is getting rejected from towards downside. If it is towards up, I'll talk about it. Okay, as of now, we are going to understand that if there is a wick which is towards downside, okay, if there is a wick towards downside, there is a rejections toward downside. From downside, we are getting rejected. What is being rejected? Can anyone answer this question? Can anyone answer this Nitish question? What is being rejected? Price. Price is being rejected. Great. Okay. Now listen to me. Price is getting rejected. Okay. Over here, there are those who know more about trading. Okay. So as of now, we are going to consider this only. Okay, that if the wick is towards downside, it is getting rejections towards downside. But how do I confirm rejections? How am I going to confirm there is a rejection? Let's say you gave like you are preparing for government exam, let's say UPSC exam. Okay. And you just gave without studying Jai Mata Di, you did, and you gave when you were checking on the result day, when you're checking it out, okay, you saw that there is something written called as pass. What will you do? Won't you recheck your results? Won't you really refresh? What will you do? You will try to confirm it, right? Won't you try to confirm this? Yes or no? Or you will like consider, okay, I have passed, I don't need to recheck. If you had not studied and if it is saying you that it has passed, it is showing you pass, then you will definitely want to recheck this queue. Seriously, I have passed this, right? So again, over here, okay, this bullish pin bar. Why do I call it as a bullish pin bar? First thing is that it's a bullish reversal candlesticks, and it is a pin. It looks like a pin. Okay, so that is the reason for my easiness. I call this as a bullish pin bar, and normally also it is called as a bullish pin bar as well. So what's happening over here? It is going downside. Okay, market tried to go down, but it came up, and there is a wick which shows me the rejections. Now, after the formation of this candle, usually what will happen? Because why market went up? It came till here, but it went up, right? The prices had gone up. Why? Because buying had happened. That means buying should continue. That means buying should continue, right? So over here, after the formation of this candle, if the next candle is closing, after the formation of this candle, if the next candle is closing in green, okay, we can consider first step. It is first step, not the complete thing. We can consider that market is going to reverse its trend from downtrend to uptrend. Now this candlesticks will work only if there is a downtrend. If there is a downtrend prior to the formation of this candlesticks, means if this candle is forming over here, there should be a downtrend, means market should be going towards downside, and here it is forming. The confirmation, the next candle, okay, the next candle should be closing above this. Basically, wherever it has formed, it should close above either this candle or next candle. Okay, basically we should try to look like this itself. Okay, just make in your mind, it is coming down, pin bar has formed, this candle is closing up, and market is going upside. Okay, so we will be considering that the market is changing its trend from bearish to bullish. I'll show you in the charts as well, so do not worry on that part. So right, can you please tell me, where are you seeing this candlesticks in front of the screen? You can draw that over here. You will have an option to do drawing. Can you please mark where are you seeing this candlesticks? बस काफी हो गया. हो गया बच्चा. Okay, now many of you had marked somewhere here, somewhere here also they have marked. See what's happening over here. What's happening over here? Market is going down. There is this candlesticks forming. Next candle is closing up, and we can see slightly market is trying to go upside. Right now, another thing is that you might be seeing this candlesticks, let's say over here, right? Over here you are seeing, here also it has come down. Let's say at this point of time you are seeing the same candlesticks. What is happening? Still market is coming downside because the next candle has not yet gone upside. It has not closed towards upside, right? So it has been coming downside. There is a logic behind this. Okay, there is a logic behind this which you will be understanding very soon. Okay, when where we have this, these are bullish and bearish reversal candlesticks. First thing. Second thing is that they will be having importance at some place, not everywhere. In a simpler way, if you are having a watch which is like, let's say 500 years old, if you'll go to kabadi ka dukan, you will get that price only. But if you'll go to antique shop place, you will get the real price of it, right? Same over here, these candlesticks have more importance, which you'll be understanding in next class. Okay, so let me show you some more. Wherever these candlesticks have formed and what has happened after that. Here I am not able to see. Again, one more thing is that the body color can be red or can be green. It does not matter at all. The body color can be red, can be green as well. It does not matter at all. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that the next candle matters a lot. The next candle matters a lot. So you can see pin bar, next candle in green, market is going upside, right? I'll show you more, do not worry. Over here, there is pin bar, next candle. Over here, you can see next candle, pin bar, market went, or just one candle it has gone, but it fell down. Now, you will be wondering that why it has gone downside. Again, this is the first step where we are understanding. Let's say this is class 10th ka thing that we are understanding from your market will go up. In next class, we'll understand where it is going to go, where it exactly it is going to go upside, first thing. Second thing is that when we'll start the strategy session, then we will understand about the structure of the market. When do we have to consider market is going to go up? When do we have to consider that market is going to go in downside? Okay. So I'll show you wherever it has formed at right place. Here, market has gone up for a while. Right here it has formed, but it's not going, the next candle is not good. So anyway, those who are smart enough will be able to identify wherever I'm marking, like wherever I'm showing you these candlesticks, there are some lines drawn next to that, right? So let's say oh yeah. Okay. Over here, I'll change the time frame as well. There are a lot of things which you need to understand, which you will be also understanding with time. So you don't need to worry at all that you are missing out on a lot of things and on nothing. You're not missing out anything. You have just started. We have just started, and there are a lot of things which we have to understand. Here there is a pin bar, bullish pin bar. Next candle is green. We can see market went up. Again, there is a pin bar. Next candle is also pin bar. Next candle closing upside. Market is going upside. Right. So can you tell me, I have showed you two types of like pin bar at two places. So which one, at which place you are seeing walking? Did you observe? First place, where you are seeing some kind of blue, like rectangular box or some lines. Second, where you are seeing nothing. There is nothing over here. At which place it is working? At which place it is working? First or second? Simple thing is that if you're seeing over here, it is working at this point of time. It is working at this point of time. I have drawn something over here at this level, right? Now, if you see here also I've drawn, you can see it is also working at this point of time. Let me show it to you somewhere where I have not drawn anything and if it is working there or not. We need a downtrend where wherever it is forming, if the next candle is closing in green, market will be going towards upside. Okay. You can see here it has formed a pin bar. Next candle is closing in green. It has not gone upside, right? So why and where, at which place it is going to form, and from there it is going to go up, we will be learning that thing in the next class. I cannot really teach you everything in one class, right? So in today's class, we just need to understand the characteristics of this class. The characteristics of this candlesticks is that there should be a preceding downtrend. There should be a body, like a small body, which should be having a wick towards downside. This wick, either it can be like same size of the body or double size of the body, triple, as long as wick it is good. And if the next candle is closing in green, we can expect the market to go towards upside. That's what I have taught you, and you just need to understand the characteristics of this candlesticks, nothing else. Is this clear till now? Please type yes with that Josh. Nitish, I have been going very slow. One and half hour class, it won't be possible. Why? Some candlesticks don't have wick. So generally, if they are not having a wick, what does it mean? From the point they have started, they're closing at the same price, right? What is the range of the body telling us? Range of the body you will be understanding slowly. Okay, so do not worry on that. Now the next type of candlesticks, which will going to be exactly opposite, which I call it as the bearish pin bar. Bearish pin bar, which means it will be having a wick towards upside or downside, which means it will be having a wick towards upside or downside. It will be having a wick towards upside. Now, where should I look for this? Where should I look for this candlesticks? There should be a preceding uptrend or downtrend. There should be a preceding uptrend or downtrend. Preceding uptrend or downtrend. There should be a preceding uptrend. Understand? Bearish pin bar basically means wherever we are finding this candlesticks, market will tend to change its direction towards downside. So before that, if we are having any kind of like we are seeing a trend where market is going upside, okay, market is going up, let's say, and we are seeing this candlesticks, basically what would have happened? This would have gone up. What happened over here? Selling happened. What happened over here? Selling. That means prices will go downside. Selling means whenever there is a selling, basically the supply, with what will happen? The prices will come towards downside. How will I get to know that okay, prices had gone till this level? With the help of this wick. And if the next candle is closing in red or green, if the next candle is closing in red or green, if the next candle is closing in red towards downside, we can consider that market is going to change its direction towards downside. Okay, I'll repeat, do not worry on this. Okay, it is not going to be like that I'll be telling you only once. First thing, bearish pin bar. Okay, both are bearish pin bar, which means color of the body does not matter. One thing is that it should not be having a wick towards downside. Okay, a minimal small wick is fine, but not a longer wick. Same if it is a bullish pin bar, there should be a wick towards downside, but not a wick like longer wick towards upside, smaller wick. Okay, the body of the color of the body won't really matter. It can be green, it can be red. Okay, where do I need to find this candlesticks? If the market is falling, and if we see such kind of candlesticks, okay, why it has formed? Try to understand why it has formed. Basically, this wick shows us rejection, means prices would have gone till this level, right? But selling happened, and because of that, it came up. How do I get to know? With the help of wick. Now, basically, over here, buying happened and it went up. That means that if buying pressure is building up, means stock can go upside. So if the next candle is closing in green, we can expect the market to change its trend from downtrend to uptrend. Over here, where do I look for these candlesticks? Bearish pin bar. Okay. Whenever the market, if you see that the market is going upside, if you see that from here, let's say market is going up, what would have happened over here? What would have happened over here? Market would have gone upside, right? But because of selling pressure, it came down, right? So basically, selling has started, the prices should go downside. So if we are seeing next candle after the formation of this candle, first either the next candle or next to next candle, if it is closing towards downside, we can see that the market is going to change its trend. Okay. Till now, what I have taught the meaning of this candlesticks. Okay. Now, second thing is that there is a lot more than this. What I have taught you about the trend change is just 10%. In coming classes, we'll be understanding. You might have seen this kind of candlesticks everywhere, right? But market has not generally gone upside. Or if it has gone up, again after that, it has come downside. Okay, first thing. So these candlesticks have importance somewhere. Okay, so where it is important, that we will understand. Second thing is that exactly in which condition we consider it that the market is changing its trend from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish, we will be understanding mostly in next 2 weeks. Okay, so you have to wait for a while to understand these things. Okay, so let me show you the bearish pin bar. Okay, wherever market is going upside, we'll see at that point of time. So what is happening over here? Can you identify? Market is going up, bearish pin bar, next candle is closing in red, market has gone downside, right? Again, this is the different types of candlesticks which we can identify as well. Let me show you some more. Okay, I'll do one. Bearish pin bar, let's look for it. What's happening over here? Market is going up. Here it is a bearish pin bar. Next candle is closing downside. Okay, we can expect the market to go downside, and that has happened. Bank Nifty, if we see, here you can see a bearish pin bar. Next candle is closing in red. Market is coming towards downside, right? Over here in this, at this point of time, we had a bearish pin bar. Next candle is closing in red. Market is coming downside. Nifty, we have Nifty here. There is no bearish pin bar formation. There will be somewhere whenever the market would have gone till that level. Some other bearish reversal candlesticks are forming. You can see small pin bar. Next candle is closing towards downside. Market is going down. Pin bar. Next candle red. Market is coming down. Asian Paints have not drawn. Apollo Hospital. So here there is a pin bar, 2 pin bars. Next candle is closing in red. Market has slightly from 1436 say. It has come from 4430 say. On the same day, it has given 100 rupees. Yeah, almost 60-70 rupees towards downside. This is a different bearish candlesticks which we'll be studying in next class. The Wiz Lab, which I see. Not getting into this. Again, over here, we have a different bearish pattern, which we'll be studying in next class. Any enterprise, bearish pin bar. Next candle closing in red, market as come downside. Now there are other questions like which size of the body. Size of the body. See, regarding size of the body, you will be understanding slowly. You won't once you start observing the candlesticks. Okay, I'll be telling you basically what should be the size of the body. Basically, I'll tell you. I won't tell you today because you will be having already doubts. So I'll answer that doubts instead of telling you what should be the size of the body. In simpler terms, if I tell you, if you're seeing a normal candlesticks, basically not too zoomed in or too zoom out, okay, the size of the body can be like this. This is a perfect size of the body, okay, which covers basically from 3232, say, in 15 minutes, basically half percentage or size. One simple body covers 0.3% approximately of the total stock price. Okay, just understand this is a normal size body. Okay, this is like range bound body. This is very huge body, like good movement has come up, but generally body will be forming like this. Okay, this will be the around size of the body. So that's what we have studied about bullish pin bar and bearish pin bar. One bearish reversal candlesticks, and second is bullish pin bar and bearish pin bar. And then we are tomorrow also we are going to study two more types of candlesticks. Okay, so let me know if you have any doubts. If the doubts, if you do not have doubt, if you have already understood everything, please type yes. If you have doubt, please type the doubts. Code for the class will be, I will make sure I am learning stock market. Why is it was working at first sight and second it went up more, but in the first we saw a bit of downtrend tomorrow. Stopping in as in? I had thought this space in Nifty is known as gap up or a gap down. So this pin bar works on every time frame. Yes, it does work, but minimum time frame should be considered as 5 minutes. Parth, do not worry. After 2 weeks, you'll be able to understand what I'm trying to tell in that. Sir, please audible me. What do you mean by that? What's the time frame to analyze? Minimum 5 minutes. You can go for 15, 30, 1 hour. जी हाँ, मिल जाएगी अजय कुमार. Respected, I have other things to take care. Working for a firm, I won't be able to attend live classes, but I did time to watch all classes offline. Consider and help me with the solution to access all. Anyway, I'm sending the recordings in the group itself, so you can watch it out. Let me disable the chat box and answer if there is any question left. Mohite Vishal, if what do you mean by audible me? Do not repeat the same question. For confirmation of reversal of trend, what is the preferable time chart? 5 minutes for intraday. I do not really remember what I told the last point. This is the code for the class. Same question I'm moving. Size thing, if you have not understood, that's fine. Leave it. That's the reason I was not telling you. Sir, what if red and green just of same size and adjacent to each other? Next candle. We'll wait for next candle. Next candle is the main thing. Use of this code at the end. Just note down this code. If you want to know why this, I'm giving you this code. Watch the first 10 minutes. See, over here, color tells you that the market goes up or downside. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that over here, what has happened? See, try to understand. Market went down. Okay, went down, but it closed like again. It went upside. Okay, so it tells you that it had gone. Let me show it to you. Okay, over here it is forming like. Okay, now from here it has gone downside. Bullish pin bar has gone downside, right? Now, when it came up, basically it's telling you that there is a buying pressure. And if the body goes up, it is going to make green body, right? So it's a good thing if it is forming a green body. If it is a red body, what it means that the market tried to go down, it could not, and it has closed pretty above, and there is a wick. So body color does not matter at all in the pin bar. Nitesh Kumar, you have texted the same thing so many times. It's really irritating. How to find stocks, everything you'll be learning, do not worry. Time frame to be considered, minimum 5 minutes. You can go for maximum 15 minutes and all. I'll tell you tomorrow which time frame you should be considering. What if the next bar start from the middle of the previous bar? What it means? Try to understand from. So if I'm telling you 5 minutes, then there is no point of asking 1 minute. Okay. Higher the time frame, higher the accuracy. Okay. 1 minute gives you just information about 1 minute. What has happened in 1 minute? It can be risky to go ahead. Okay. So that's all from my end, guys. I guess everyone have understood. There is not much doubt apart from spamming on the same question. Okay. So I will see you tomorrow. Do not miss out. Do not rely on recordings. Try to attend the classes live. If wick goes both upside and downside, what does it indicate? Answer this. Please answer this question. If there is a wick towards upside and downside, what does it mean? What does it mean? Basically, it means that market is not, that is indecisive candle, means we cannot make decision in that candle. First thing. Second thing is that in this situation, what do we have to do? We have to wait for the next candle to give us information. Whether if the next candle is breaking the high of this indecisive candle, which is happening wick towards upside and downside. Okay. So let me show it to you. Consider your question is that this is the body, this is the wick. Okay. What to do in this? If the next candle is closing towards upside, that means market will go up. Okay. Considering different factors as well. Okay. But over here, we'll consider that the market is going to go up. If it is closing towards down, that means market is going to down. If nothing is happening, that means range bound market. That's it. Okay. TradingView subscription, you don't need to buy at all. It's the free of cost. What is the stop loss for pin candle? I am not interested in answering this question because I have not yet spoken about the stop loss. I have not taught you the strategy. When I'll teach you the strategy, then you will understand. I demat account how to use. Already taught that how do you have to use. Can I unmute myself? Sorry, I won't be able to do that because if you have any question, you can text me on the. You can send me a voice note on WhatsApp. Why there is a space is in Nifty? Preetham, I spoke about gap up and gap down in last class. Why market opens with a gap up and gap down? First thing, if you would have attended the yesterday's class, then you would not have asked this question. Anyway, I'll be sharing you one more video. What is the reason behind that in detail? Why does a market open with a gap up or gap down? Okay. So ending the class from here. That's all from my end, guys. Bye. Good night. Take care. If you have any doubts, please do let me know. Try to practice what I have taught you. Tomorrow is going to be very interesting class. So do not miss out at all. Make sure to be free. Make yourself free by 7:30 and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.